Essential delicacy on Sichuan tables. Classic pickled cowpea in home-style pickles. Classic Szechuan's pickled cowpea adhere to traditional techniques, using aged brine for pickling. The pickled cowpea is crisp, tender, and possess a delightful sour and refreshing taste. The tender cowpea, paired with our unique pickling method, attract numerous diners. Perfect for stir-frying, stewing, and braising with various meats, such as stir-fried minced pork with pickled cowpea or stir-fried chicken gizzards with pickled cowpea. To prepare, rinse the pickled cowpea with clean water. Drain the excess water, and then chop them into small pieces. Cut the pork into minced pieces. Marinate it with cooking wine, raw flour, and a pinch of salt. Heat oil in a pan. Stir-fry the minced pork until it turns slightly golden. Finally, add the pickled cowpea. Stir well, and season to taste. Once cooked, transfer to a plate. The stir-fried minced pork with pickled cowpea is not only appetizing and delicious, but also quick and easy to make, a perfect choice for a tasty and convenient meal. Authentic Szechuan flavor from classic Szechuan.